happy Halloween. And we decided as a group, if you remember from our previous video all about the Disney swaps that we've been doing, we decided to do a Halloween swap. So myself and about 6 other girls, 6 other channels, we decided to swap some Disney Halloween themed boxes. So this is a video on the box that I got from the darling Disney Divas. So without further ado, we are going to jump into the box, and I'm excited to see all of the awesome Halloween goodies that are in here. Yay! Alright, so first off, there's a card. I'm going to open that, I think, at the end. So let's see. Eat, drink, and be scary. That is cute. Who doesn't love some Halloween? I actually really like the color purple too. Super cute. Alright, we have some stuff wrapped in some bubble wrap and tissue paper, so that's making me think that this is super delicate. Oh, shut the front door. How cute is this? Halloween custom made ears. What? And there's a little spider and these flowers. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you. I don't have this kind of talent. All right. Ooh, I see what's underneath this, and I'm excited to show you guys what's underneath this next one, but let's open this next delicate piece. Oh, those are cute. I don't know how I can wear 2 pairs of ears, but I'm gonna try. They are mermaid themed ears. What? And they're fluffy. Check out the sequins. These are cute, and they're going up on my wall today, for sure. Alright, hang on, they're not staying on. Let's move them back a little. There we go. Okay, let's see, what else is in here? Oh, look, it's a little lined up work. It's a little wind up. He bounces. It looks like he's just wearing a mask. And so I think I hit the mother load when it comes to Halloween candy. Holy crap. Look at that, guys. Alright, I'm just gonna dump this out on the desk because I gotta get to the rest of this box. No need to go trick-or-treating. Put my little gown over there. Ooh, okay, so this is, you can usually find these at, I think, Lunchbox, but it is the Disney Princess blind box pen. So it could be one of, for a 12, one of these 12 pens. It's made by Loungefly. Okay, so as you guys know, I love The Little Mermaid. So let's see, any guesses? Any guesses? Maybe it's an Ursula? I don't know. Feeling it? I'm gonna take a shot in the dark by what I feel and say that it's Sebastian. I think it's a Sebastian one. Let's see. Oh no, I was wrong. It's Ariel. Ooh. I'm gonna put her up on my wall of pins that you guys can see back there. All right, let's see, what else is in this awesome box? Ooh. Somebody knows I like mermaids. brushes. These are so stinking cute. And look guys, they match my ears. So cute. Okay. What is this that is wrapped in bubble wrap? I love it. Okay. I'm gonna actually put this back in here so you can actually read it because it's clear. But it says, of course I drink like a fish, I'm a mermaid. How cute. I love it. And it's all sparkly on the bottom. Love it. All right. Let's see what's in here. Next thing. It is a mermaid bath bomb, bath fizzer, same thing. How cute is that? It's so shimmery and pretty. I love it. Are these socks? I think these are socks. I hope they're socks because I love socks. They are socks. Halloween socks, guys. And they say boo. Obviously. They're just little fuzzy ghosts. These are so cute. Okay, so what is in this one? I'm at a loss for words. I can't guess anything. Be a mermaid in a sea of fish, and it lights up, guys. What? How cool is that? I love this. This is going on my wall for sure. Thank you guys. And last but not least, check out these Haunted Mansion stickers. What? That is so awesome. Ghost host, dead center of the room, foolish mortals, doom buggies, hitchhiking ghosts. This is awesome. This is so cool. I absolutely love it. So I have to say, huge shout out to the darling Disney Divas who procured all of this stuff to go into my box, which was amazing. I absolutely love everything. Both of these ears are so cute. You did an amazing job. So if you guys want to check out more videos, everybody is posting their videos today at the same time. So make sure you check out everybody's videos. I'm going to list them all one by one. So make sure you guys follow the links that are down in the description. I'm gonna link all of their channels below. Make sure you like and subscribe to all of their channels. And we will see you guys in the next video. Happy Halloween!